In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Klaviyo pop-up to Postscript in just a few minutes. This integration allows you to collect SMS subscribers directly from your pop-up forms. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Postscript website. Log into your Postscript account using your email and password, or by signing in through your connected Shopify store. Once you're inside the Postscript dashboard, look at the side menu and click on Integrations. This section shows all the apps you can connect with Postscript. Find Klaviyo and open the Klaviyo integration. Follow the on-screen steps to log in to your Klaviyo account and approve access. During this process, you may be asked to enter your Klaviyo API keys. This step allows Postscript to sync forms and subscriber data correctly. After the accounts are connected, open your Klaviyo dashboard in a new tab. From the side menu, go to Sign Up Forms and select the pop-up you want to connect. In the browser address bar, copy the form ID associated with that pop-up. Now return to your Postscript dashboard and open the Klaviyo integration again. Choose the option to add a form. Paste the Klaviyo form ID into the required field and confirm TCPA compliance. Save your changes and the connection is complete. Your Klaviyo pop-up is now successfully linked to Postscript, allowing you to collect and manage SMS subscribers seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.